Bitcoin, dogs dream to finally go to the moon? Hi, my name is Arturo, and I'm here to answer the question, why can't I make money from this? And what in the world is cryptocurrency? Crypto is basically a form of virtual or digital currency that you can basically trade your real world money for these coins that you can basically use to buy and purchase things like any other kind of currency. Just like basically like an arcade, you can basically buy tokens as the form of currency that you can use to play your games, arcades, or even trade for actual prizes in that matter. Okay, so now you know what crypto is, but how does it work? You're probably wondering, why can't I just use real money? Well, essentially, crypto is still real money, but in this case, it's completely decentralized. Meaning, whenever you spend or send your crypto, it's actually going directly to the person you're sending it to. So there's no middle section, no banks or governments in between. There's no middleman. You're basically sending it directly to the person that wants to actually get the transaction, which makes it completely decentralized and faster than traditional payment methods. But what exactly are you investing in? Well, the future. Crypto is extremely volatile as no one really knows which crypto would actually be the future of currency. That's why you see Bitcoin is reaching all-time highs, and maybe even other cryptocurrencies that are trying to be the next top dog. Of course, there are many exchanges that you can use to buy crypto, which you should see somewhere on the screen here. And I'll also put one of my links down below so you can get started as well. Keep in mind, these are only the actual basics. I haven't even talked about NFTs, altcoins, or even the blockchains of how everything actually really works. But just with these actual basics, you at least have a better understanding of how crypto really works and what it is. Of course, these topics are left for another video. If you do want to catch back up, I do appreciate if you do like and subscribe if you do like what you see. And I guess we'll see where this goes.